Meaning of High Court of Justice.
High Court of Justice.
High Court of Justice.
High Court of Justice.
High Court of Justice. The High Court of Justice is a court in England and Wales that has jurisdiction over a wide range of legal disputes, including civil cases, criminal cases, and judicial review. It is one of the senior courts of England and Wales, and it is divided into 3 divisions: the Queen's Bench Division, the Chancery Division, and the Family Division. The High Court has the power to issue a range of orders, including injunctions, declarations, and writs of habeas corpus. Its decisions are binding on lower courts, and they may also be appealed to higher courts.